Let's begin your VTuber journey with your own unique 3D avatar. Hi guys, I am 3D Artist Keeki. I will be teaching you the entire pipeline of creating a fully functional, ready-to-use 3D avatar. First, we will learn the basics of 3D modeling, including body proportions, hair and clothing, for a completely customized avatar. Make your avatar in a quintessential anime style, by carefully painting each part of your model and adding texture for true immersion. Finally, we will learn rigging in Blender to allow your avatar to move naturally and add dynamism to your audience's screens. Master the tools and techniques to model, stylize and rig your own 3D avatar and kickstart your VTuber career today. I am Keeki, a 3D artist, and I will be waiting for you at Colossal.